Number 44 is Riley Bauer, sponsored by M&W Black Coffee. Number 224, Anthony Bauer. 125, Anthony Bauer, also by M&W Black Coffee. 125 is Marissa Bauer. Next is Faith Wenzel. K0 is John Kosenbach. K9 is Cassie Pumper from All Computers. K17, Carter Kosenbach, sponsored by Ryan Electric. Eric Kosenbach from All 3, 2, 1, 3, 4, Nice hit there. There's that telephone. Big hit by Carter Kosenbach. Red flag, red flag. Hold the position, red flag. Red flag, hold the position. Don't go on the top, you gotta get away. 3, 2, 1, green flag on the road. Oh, nice shot. Oh, they went out of real estate over there. The 4 cars still moving out there. There's 17 moving the back wheel on their back corner. Is out. That's serial. 4 cars still running out there. Oh, I think that's the really push the front. Hang on, red flag, red flag, red flag, hold the position, hold the position, red flag, red flag, hold the position, red flag. He got pushed down! There's disqualification out there for a guy who's going over it. He's getting pushed into it. 3, 2, 1, roll! Green flag, green flag! K17 flipping a wheel in the back corner. Still plugging out there though. That's that front wheel drive.
I don't remember who it was.
Three cars still running out there. So now is Cassie Pumper still out there hammering away. The 11 is Eric Kosenbach. K17 is Carter Kosenbach. We're still rolling. Maybe we got lots of transition out there. Two cars got moving. The 11 is Eric Kosenbach and Cassie Pumper going at it out there. Cars still moving, I think. Timed out is 3:17, timed out. Cheer them on, folks. Who's going to get this one? Come on! Make some noise out there, make some noise! Oh, we get running again. Pumper gonna move it again. Cassie Pumper. Eyed him up for a shot here. Here she goes. Here she comes. Cassie's gonna give him a shot. No! He wins it. Cassie Pumper, the winner of your compact class here this afternoon. Getting to our class, 4th place, Marissa Bauer, 125. Carter Kosenbach got 3rd place in K17. Eric Kosenbach got 2nd place. And Cassie Pumper, number 1 in the compact class.